Hey my friends, what's going on? Cater here on a beautiful day. What's going on with your land? What's going on with your life? How you doing? Pound that for watching this video. Pal, so how do you make money for free? One of my students actually asked me that, how do you make money for free? And one of my answers was, hey, in America, if you live in America, it's actually illegal to make the paper money, right? But money is an exchange, right? You must understand. The first thing that you got to do is understand money. Once you understand it, it becomes easy to make it. And I'm not talking about, you saying money comes to me easily, stuff like that. Nah, I'm talking about once you understand how it's made, it becomes easy for you to make money, because money is an exchange, right? It's an exchange where you're exchanging something of value. It's a mean of exchange. You exchange something of value to somebody else that needs it, and they're willing to exchange their money in their pocket in order for you to get it, right? So how do you make money for free? So how do you make money for free? So if you're using the internet now, it gives you access to a lot of people that you can actually exchange things for. So if you're thinking about right now, hey, I want to start making some money for free right now. So first thing you need to realize, where are people hanging out? Okay, where are people hanging out? Well, the first thing, let's say you need to understand money first, because money have three aspects. I teach about the three aspects of money. You have the spiritual aspects of money, right? You also have the physical aspect and the psychological aspect of money. Spiritual aspect of money is the part that the underground layer of money. Once you understand it, what makes it, you can always attract it, because it starts with the spiritual. It starts, in the mind. If you start with the mind and you understand how to attract it, then it attracts, like stuff like understanding that money loves speeds, right? Success loves speeds. When you start moving fast, you can start creating cash flow. When you understand connection, when you understand that knowledge is power, implied knowledge is a bomb. Like it explodes once you understand these things on how to create them and how to make them, so you're able to use these ingrained spiritual characteristic that rules your action. When you understand for every action there's a reaction, you understand that those pillars, those layers, these are the things that when you understand them, even if you had money, you go broke, you can create it again, because you have the foundation, the spiritual aspect, the root part of what creates some type of cash flow. You understand, in order for you to have some type of results, you must be willing to take some type of action. So once you have those foundation layers, those principles, it's easy for you to make money, because you can lose in something else, you can always replace it. Now let's talk about the psychological aspect, how it makes you feel, right? Because sometimes people do crazy things for money, the feeling, or when you have it, if you don't have it, you feel certain type of way, or you feel some type of way. But the psychological aspect of money, on how it makes you feel, right? People might say, hey, money is the root of all evil, or I don't really care for it. It's a lie, because most people spend, I'll say, a third of the day working. So if it wasn't important, they wouldn't spend a third of the day working. But you must understand it, the exchange. Now let's talk about the physical aspect, which is the paper, the paper money, the stuff that grows on trees, the stuff that you receive and you make an exchange with. Now let's talk about how you can get more of that stuff. So if you want to start for free, right, how you can start making money for free, you want to start with affiliate marketing, traffic generation, right? Traffic generation is the key for affiliate marketing. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you need to find somebody else's product and go sell it. So what you want to do is, if you know how to get traffic, if you know how to get people together for something very specific, you can sell them. So for every business out there, every major business, if you go on their website, they allow you to become an affiliate, where they pay you 30-50%. Some will pay you a specific number. For example, all of my credit cards, like American Express, I'm an affiliate for them. So I create an ebook in there. When I'm telling people to get this card and get this card, I'll go to American Express link, get an affiliate link, put it on there, and when people click on it, boom, I make money. They give me $100 and they get $100. So you can do the same thing. There's a lot of companies that'll offer you incentive for you to get them customer. So that way you don't have to create the product. So if you are able to get people, if you're able to get a group of people, you're able to get traffic together, you get people around, so you can become an affiliate to other products, other people that have products that they are selling. You can go out there and you can sell those products and you can start making money. that way. The key now is to be able to get a group together and get them interested into the stuff that you are into, the topic that they have interest into. Then you would have whatever products that you want to become an affiliate of, you can start selling them. I use that same principle, and I did like $100,000 just posting links. So if you have social media platforms, right, you can just go grab a link and start posting them on your social media platform, and you can start getting people to start buying stuff from you. That's one of the ways you can start making money for free right now using the internet if you're able to get traffic. Another way I want to share with you in here is YouTube. Where you're watching this video right now, the platform you're watching this video right now, I mean, YouTube pays people to get on the platform by posting ads on their content. So that's one way you can monetize YouTube, you know, just by posting ads on the content that you're creating on your YouTube channel. Or another thing you could do is just sell your own products to YouTube. So if you have the ability, right, to teach or coach or help people, you can create your own products, put it on YouTube, and people will start buying it. That's another way you can start creating another stream of income for you, just for free. And another way that sometimes that I use that is drop services. So let's say you find people that needs to get banners done, that needs to get design work. You can go somewhere else and drop the service. So you can go to somewhere like Fiverr, you can go somewhere else, find somebody else, and you drop the service. So if you charge them, let's say 100, you find someone else to do it for 50, you drop service. Now the key is always going to be able to have access to those people. If you can focus on traffic, one of my mentors told me that if you can focus on traffic generation, you focus on getting people together that need something that is very specific, it becomes a lot easier for you to sell them whatever that you have. So it'll become easier for you to, because you already established the trust. So they will be able, if you have the connection to make it happen, something that people need, you have the connection, you can charge them a premium price, and then you, from your connection, you drop service whatever that they need. All right, so that's another way. But there's so many more ways inside of this video. Just want to keep it short because I'm gonna go for my full run now. Just wanted to share with you some of the ways that you can actually make money for free. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.